We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts. Marriage is the most intimate of all relationships. It is the ultimate commitment to love, share, trust, and grow with another person. It is the beginning of a whole new life.
Alicia, marrying you is one of the easiest choices I've ever had to make in life. From the moment we met, I couldn't keep my eyes off you, and I knew there was something very special about you. Over the last 12 years, as our love has grown for one another, I've watched you grow from a high school sweetheart into a beautiful, young, strong, independent woman. Seeing you smile and laugh will always be the highlight of my day. I'm so proud of you and how dedicated and hardworking you are to reach your goals, and how you've turned a hobby you love so much into your career. I promise to love and care for you. I promise to be by your side through the hard, the good times, in sickness and in health. I promise to encourage and support you to reach your life goals, and I promise to be loyal and your best friend. Today I make you my wife, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.
Matthew, from the day we met, I knew we had an instant connection. It was like it was meant to be. I was only 15 and you were 17, and never would I've ever thought would be here today, getting married 12 years later and still going strong. We've been through so much together and have created so many amazing memories that has helped shape us into who we are today. We've taught each other what true love and a caring life partner looks like and feels like. I'm proud of the man you have become, and I couldn't imagine anyone else by my side to share this crazy life with. I promise to be there for you and be the shoulder you can lean on through all the ups and downs of life. Our love will be forever strong. Today you become my husband, my soulmate, and my lifelong best friend forever in this world and the next.
Alicia and Matthew have vowed in our presence to be loyal and loving towards each other. They have formalised the existence of the bond between them with words spoken and the giving and receiving of rings. Therefore, it is my pleasure to now pronounce them husband and wife. Matthew, you may kiss your bride.
Alicia, words can't even explain how happy it's made me to watch my best friend marry her soulmate today. I'm honoured to be a part of such a special day. How crazy is it that you two, once teenagers and love at Kitty Kitty College, are sitting here today, so many years later, officially married.
I want to wish you both a lifetime of happiness and wish nothing but the best in your life together.
Cherish every moment by living life to the fullest. Don't sweat the small stuff. Life is too damn short.
We can truly say it was love at first sight. I have seen their relationship blossom as the years go by, and it makes me a very happy sister, knowing your heart is filled with love and you have found your other half.
A long, happy marriage full of love, laughter and happiness.
You are both focused and driven. What a team you both make. To the bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Mathie.
It is my great pleasure to invite you all to stand and raise your glass in a toast to a wonderful bride and groom, and wish them a lifelong time of love and happiness together.